Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, how are you doing today, everyone? So welcome to our class once again, and it's Thursday. Okay, so what's the matter, Krishna?
Nakamute siya.
All right, so let's try to unmute everyone. Okay, I will give, okay, so Theo will be the teacher for today, right? So first, Krishna, please unmute your microphone. Unmute your microphone. Unmute.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, it's fine. All right, so Theo, it's your turn. We are listening to you.
Welcome to Isabela by Theo Angelo Iservito. Isabela, probinsya ng Isabela, lalawigan ng Isabela is the second largest province in the Philippines in land area located in the Cagayan region in Luzon. Its capital is the city of Ilagan. It is bordered by the provinces
Bordered
by the provinces of Cagayan to the southwest, Quirino and Aurora to the south, and
okay,
the
Cagayan to
Philippine
the
Sea to the
north.
east.
All right, you have to read it well. Province, it is bordered by the provinces of Cagayan to the north. Repeat.
It is bordered by the provinces of the Cagayan to the north, Kalinga to the northwest, Mountain Province to the central west, Ifugao and Nueva Vizcaya to the southwest, Quirino and Aurora to the south, and the Philippine Sea to the east. This primarily agricultural province in the rice and corn granary of Luzon.
Granary
of Luzon due to its plain and rolling terrain. In 2012, the province was declared as the country's top producer of corn with 1,209,524 metric. Isabela is the
tons. Metric tons. Okay, you should not read it so fast. You have to read every word, okay?
Isabela is the 10th richest province in the Philippines as of 2011. The province has 4 trade centers in the cities of Ilagan, Cagayan, Santiago, and the municipality of Rojas.
All right, okay. So can you explain to us, teacher, without reading about about Isabela? What do you understand?
Isabela is the second largest province in the Philippines and located in Luzon, and Isabela is the 10th richest province in the Philippines of 2011.
All right. Why did they say that Isabela is one of the richest province in the Philippines?
Because because they are the country's top producer of corn with 1,209,524 metric tons.
Okay, because it is, okay, our #1 producer of corns. Okay, continue.
Cities and municipalities of Isabela.
Okay, this one first. You didn't read this. Isabela, provincia ti Isabela. Go back.
Isabela, Ilocano probinsya ti Isabela. Ibanag probinsya na Isabela. Tagalog, lalawigan ng Isabela. is the second largest province in the Philippines.
Okay, I have a question. So what could be, all right, the main dialects in Isabela? What are the main dialects or main languages? What do people speak?
Um, Tagalog,
Mm-mm.
Ibanag, Ilocano.
Okay. All right, continue.
Cities and municipalities of Isabela.
We cannot see
Alicia,
it. We cannot see. Okay, we can see now.
Alicia, Angadanan, Aurora, Benito, Soliven, Burgos, Cabagan, Gapatuan, Kawayan, Cordon, Delfin
Delfin
Albano,
Albano.
Dinapige, Divilacan,
Diviracan.
Echage, Gamu, Ilagan, Jones, Luna, Makonakon, Malig,
Malig.
Malig, Nagilian, Palanan, Quezon, Quirino, Ramon, Reina Mercedes, Roas, San Agustin, San Guillermo, San Isidro, San Mariano, San Mateo, San Pablo, Santiago, Santa Maria, Santo Tomas, Tumawin.
Okay. Okay, let's just continue. Christian will come back later. All right, so these are okay, wait a second. You go there. I have a question. Go back. Can you tell me what are the main cities in Isabela? Among
Kawayan,
these. Kawayan, Ilagan.
Kawayan, Ilagan, and Santiago.
Okay, very good. Okay, continue.
Some tourist spots of Isabela.
Okay.
Japanese Tunnel, Ilagan, Isabela. Our Lady of Pilar Parish, Kawayan, Isabela. Santa Victoria Cave, Ilagan, Isabela. Our Lady of Visitation, Gibang, Gamo, Isabela. San Luis Obispo Museum of Art.
That's all?
Yeah.
Okay, you go back there. You go back. All right, you go back with tourist spots. Can you tell me what can we see? All right, go back to the tourist spots. What can we see in a Japanese tunnel in Ilagan, Isabela? What are the things that we can see there?
A tunnel.
Okay, so what can you see inside the tunnel?
Wait.
Okay, what can you see inside the tunnel? You don't know? Have you been there? Have you visited the Japanese tunnel?
Yes.
Okay, so what did you do? What did you see inside?
I do not remember.
I can't remember. I can't remember. You can't remember?
Yeah.
Okay, so what did you do there? Did you wear something else when you went there?
Yeah.
Okay, like for example, what did you wear?
Some Japanese t-shirt.
Okay, what do you mean Japanese t-shirt?
I don't know what is the name of that.
Okay, we don't say okay, this is like Japanese traditional clothes, not t-shirt, right? We call that kimono. Kimono, right? So, of course, in the tunnel, in the Japanese tunnel, we can see some remnants of the Yamashita treasures. Do you know that? Do you think so? Right? Okay. Yamashita Treasures. Okay, what about in Our Lady of Pilar Parish? What can you see inside?
Um,
Mm-mm.
um,
Mm-mm.
Our Lady of the Pilar Parish is
Mm-mm.
old, and
Mm-mm. Is it is it beautiful inside?
yes.
Mm-mm. Why is it beautiful?
Mm, um, there are some paintings above the Our Lady of the Pilar Parish.
Mm-mm. And what
Um,
else? Mm, what else? What else?
hmm, and
Mm, mm.
um,
Okay, what else?
um,
Mm,
um, um, it's nice and
mm-mm,
um,
mm-mm. It's nice
and
mm-mm,
uh, they put a statue. They put a statue of
mm-mm.
Jesus.
Okay, wait a second. All right, I will just put something. Okay, wait a sec. I just all right. Okay, that's all. Okay, so what about South Victoria Cave,
Yes.
Ilagan? Have you been here?
Huh?
Have you been here, Santa Victoria
No,
in Ilagan? Not yet? Ah, all
not
right. So
yet.
I have been here. Okay, Krishna, can you hear me? All right. Okay, Krishna. What? Please put your headset. Okay, Krishna, can you hear us?
Yes.
Okay. So what happened with your internet connection? It was cutting. Theo, you. All right. Okay. What about the next one? Our Lady of Visitacion in Gibang. Have you been there, Theo? Hey. Our
Yes.
Lady,
Yes.
okay. All right, Gibang, have you been here? Is it good?
Yeah.
All right. Oh,
Um.
okay. Aside from this, what other tourist spots in Isabela that you know? Aside from this.
mm,
Mm-mm.
I don't. Um.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
No.
Mm?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So aside from that, we still have a lot of tourist spots in Isabela. Isabela, Philippines. All right. Okay, so I want you to see these tourist spots. So we have Our Lady of Parish, Tumawini, Ilagan Sanctuary. I have been here. Where else? Okay, in Isabela, okay, you can actually go to Ramon Dam. Okay, so these are okay, so here, as you can see, in Isabela, we have a lot of churches. Why do you think so that in Isabela there are a lot of churches? Teo,
Mm,
why do you think so? There are a lot of churches in Isabela because Krishna. Okay, old
um.
churches. Okay, because before Isabela, Philippines was colonized by Spain, right?
Mm,
Okay, was colonized by Spain. So you know that these churches were actually built centuries ago when Spain came to the Philippines. All right. So what else? Do you know that? Have you been here when we were young? We've been to Magat Dam. Do you know Magat Dam, Teo?
no.
Okay. So we will go here in the future. And when I go back to the Philippines, what else?
I want Bikotan Beach.
Bikot-Kotan Beach, you want to go here. I think this is in Palanan. Okay. Do you know that in Philippines, in Isabela, we have the east side of Isabela that you need to, what? You need, if you go there, you need to take a plane, right? So this place is called Palanan. Palanan is actually a secluded part of Isabela. So it means that if you will go in Palanan, you need to take a plane, right? So these are beautiful places in Isabela. So who wants to go here in Palanan? Okay, who wants to go here? I also want to go. Okay, let's see. Divilacan. Because this time we have coronavirus. Okay, we have Divilacan in Isabela, right? So we can go here in Divilacan, Isabela, and we can have a resort. Okay, so next time we will go here. Instead of going to Boracay, we will go here, all right? In Divilacan. Okay, so this is actually a good place to visit. All right, so Krishna, do you have questions, Krishna?
No.
No. Okay. So Krishna, what did you learn? Why you have a dog, Teo? Why do you have a dog? Okay. Okay, Krishna, what did you learn with this lesson? What did you learn about Isabela? Can you tell me? What are the things?
I learned about places and their main language and the tourist spots.
Okay, the tourist spots. All right. So, can you tell me what is the capital of Isabela? Krishna.
Capital of Isabela is...
What is the capital? Okay, no research.
Capital.
Yeah. Is it Cagayan City? What is the capital of Isabela?
Capital.
All right, it begins with I. So you know,
Ilagan.
Ilagan, very good. All right, okay, you know that Ilagan is also known for its corn. Okay, corn granary. Didn't you watch Biyahe ni Drew? Okay, what about foods in Isabela? What are the foods in Isabela that you know? Teo, you are from Isabela, right? So what are the foods that you are eating in Isabela? You are from Isabela. You live in Isabela. You were born in Isabela. So what are the
Longanisa.
Longanisa. Okay, so let's see. These are the food, okay? First,
Pansit.
okay, yes, okay. So we have this. All right, do you know this one?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So do you eat this?
Yes.
Okay, inatata ko na sabi nila, right? And what about this? Do you eat this? What is this?
Pansit Kabagan.
Okay, do you eat pansit kabagan, Teo?
No.
No? You haven't tried pansit kabagan, Teo? What about you, Krishna?
Na-try ko na pero ayaw.
Ayaw mo ng pansit ka. Okay, what about this? What is this? How do you call this?
Yan yung gusto ko, yung matamis yung sauce.
Okay, how do you call this, Krishna? Alam mo ba to? I cannot hear you. Binalay. Okay, this is ibanag. Binalay. Okay, it's ibanag. Okay, binalay. Okay, moriero. Alright. Okay, masarap din yan. Dinengdeng. Okay. Nagluluto ba si mama ng dinengdeng sa bahay?
Ano yan?
Hmm?
Hindi.
Okay. Dinengdeng. Dinengdeng is, it's actually yung mga sinagpawan na na gulay. Si Lola lagi nagluluto ng dinengdeng. Okay, inatata. Okay, meron tayong ganyan. Longganisa. Okay.
Haling Belen.
Sinong
Wala sa
mahilig?
kawayan yan ah. Wala
Ata,
sa
oh.
kawayan yan. Wala sa kawayan.
Oo. Okay, so Krishna, do you like longganisa?
Yes.
Okay, so I also like longganisa. Okay, lechon, pinataro, corn coffee, corn paso. Okay. Oh, batil patong. Alam mong batil patong, te? Gusto ko na umuwi.
Ano yan?
You don't know
Batil
batil?
patong?
Krishna, do you know batil patong?
No.
Okay, you know my goal when I go back to the Philippines, we will travel. Okay? Mamamasyal tayo.
Ano yan?
Batil patong.
Alam ko yung pangalan pero ba't ganyan itsura?
Okay, batil patong is actually...
Alam ko na yan.
Okay. Alright. Okay, batil patong is a kind of pansit also.
May karne.
Okay, I like this. Do you like this, Teo?
No.
Teo doesn't like eating pancit. Why? Yeah, Teo, what about you, Krishna? Unmute your microphone. Do you like pancit, Krishna?
Yes.
Yes, me too. I love pancit and you put a lot of onions. And
Ayoko yung gulay.
you put a lot of liver and lechon kawali, right? Okay, so this one is batil patong.
Gusto ko lechon paksiw.
Lechon paksiw. Okay, so these are the food. What else? What other food in Isabela that you like, Krishna, when you're visiting Isabela?
Binalay.
Binalay. Okay, so you can. Binalay. All right. Okay, so you like it. What about you, Theo? What is your favorite food in Isabela?
Chicken.
Chicken. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, so those are the food. Okay, now it's Krishna's turn. Krishna, you can share your screen. Krishna will be the teacher. Okay. Are you ready, Krishna?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Krishna will be a teacher today. Yeah, it's okay, Krishna. Later we can play Kahoots again.
Kahoot. Ayaw mo mag-play.
Okay, so Krishna will talk about... Okay, so Krishna, what will you talk about today?
Okay.
All right, very good, Krishna. Did you do this by yourself?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Okay, good job, Krishna. Wow. Did your parents teach you?
No.
No, very good. Do you do this in school, Krishna? Have you done this in school? No. Wow. Okay, very good, Krishna. All right, so Krishna.
Welcome to Cagayan by Krishna Ian.
Okay, welcome to Cagayan, Cagayan Valley. All right.
The facts of Cagayan. Cagayan is a province in the Philippines located in the Cagayan Valley region. Luzon, kaharang kay Luzon. Its capital is the city of Tuguegarao and includes the Babuyan Island to the north. Province borders Ilocos Norte and Apayao to the west, and Kalinga and Isabela to the south.
Kalinga.
Kalinga. and Isabela to the south. Its capital is the city of Tuguegarao.
Okay, very good. Okay, so the province borders Ilocos Norte and Apayao. All right, to the west. All right, so tell me more about Cagayan Valley, Cagayan province.
Contents, type of province, type is province,
Yeah,
region, Cagayan Valley, Region 2, spoken languages, Ilocano, Ibanag, Itawis, Ivatan, and Tagalog and English.
All right.
Population, 1,199,320.
Okay, very good, Krishna.
Marine water bodies, Philippine Sea, Balintang Channel.
All right, okay. Philippine Sea. Okay, so places in Cagayan.
Places in Cagayan, Tuguegarao City, Palawi Island, Santa Ana, Calayan, Apari, Claveria, Calayan Island, Rizal, Peñablanca, Babuyan Islands, Camiguin Island, Bagao, Lalo,
Lalo.
Igig, Gonzaga, Alcana,
Alcala. Dapat to Alcala yan eh. Okay.
Alcala, Bugi, Tuaw, Piat, Fuga Island, Sanchez Mira, Ballesteros, Gataran, Solana, Kamalinyogan, Pamplona, Santa Teresa, Alacapan, Abulug, Enrile, Santa Praxedes, Lasam, Amulong, Dalupuri, Peñablanca Protected Landscape and Seascape.
Okay. Oh, wow. So as you
spots in Cagayan.
Wow, what is this?
Palawi Island in Cagayan Valley.
Okay, who wants to go to Palawi Island? Who wants to go? Teo, do you like to go? All right. So our goal, I want to buy a family coaster so we can travel, right? Okay, so let's continue. What else, Teo?
Anguib Beach.
Anguib Beach.
Anguib Beach in Santa Ana.
Okay, Santa Ana. Very good. What else?
Marlboro Hills. And Basco Lighthouse.
Okay, Basco Lighthouse is actually in Cagayan Valley. It's not just in Cagayan. Basco Lighthouse is in Cagayan Valley. This is in Batanes, okay? It's not part of Cagayan, but it's part of the Cagayan Valley, Region 2, all right? Okay, continue.
Top foods in Cagayan.
Wow. Patupat. Okay, who knows patupat? Who has eaten this? Heyo, haven't you eaten patupat? Okay. Yes, we had eaten that at home. Okay, what else, Krishna? Ano pa?
Binalay.
Binalay. Okay, of course. Binalay is very common with... yeah, laging. It's okay. Binalay.
Yan yung gusto ko.
Yes, you can ask Nanang to make binalay.
And pinakufu.
Pinakufu. Hindi ko alam yan. I don't know that. Pinakufu. Maybe in Cagayan, they have that. Okay? That's all? All right. Very good. All right. Okay. So can you tell me what is the capital of Tuguegarao? Of Cagayan?
Tuguegarao.
Tuguegarao. Okay, so who has been to Tuguegarao? Teo, have you been to Tuguegarao, Tay?
Yung
What kind?
yung binisita ni Mama yung doon. Basta doon. Doon.
Okay, what about you, Krishna? Have you been to Tuguegarao, Krishna?
No.
Not yet. Okay, so do you want to go there?
Yes.
Okay, very good. All right, so I think you did a good job today. So let's move on. Okay, you stop sharing, stop sharing. We just have, okay, we have 7 minutes. So let's play hangman. Who wants to play hangman? Okay, so I will give first. Krishna will be the
Walang
host.
points. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, Krishna, because both of you made give 20 points each, 20 points. Teo, 20 points, Krishna, 20 points.
Di na kasha. May 17 ako ah.
So we will end our lesson before your classes begins in August, right? But Krishna, you can join. Hmm?
One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Teo, you look my cell phone. I have a very good, nice wallpaper.
Pangit.
Pangit. Is it pangit, Krishna?
Di bagay sa cellphone. Okay lang.
It's nice, right? Okay. So let's move on. Krishna, it's your turn. You will share your whiteboard, okay? Screen sharing, Krishna. All right. So Teo will be given a chance, okay, to the things that we learned. Okay, first it's about Cagayan Valley. Any word, okay, that you want Teo to guess about Cagayan Valley, right? Maybe you have to give some clue. Like for example, this is the capital, this is a food, okay, something like that, right? Okay, bilisan mo, Krishna, fast. Make it fast.
Tungkol sa Cagayan.
Okay, Cagayan.
Anong Cagayan? Places,
All right.
pagkain.
Okay, all right. You think, what is that? You have place. Is it food? Okay, you can say language, right? Tourist spots.
Language.
It's a language. Okay, Teo. All right, you will be given only 5 mistakes. If you had 5 mistakes, you don't have a score, okay?
Wait lang. No? Nangyari? Saglit. Wait lang. Okay. Ano siya language?
Okay, it's a language. It's a regional dialect. Tama ba? Regional?
Letter.
Give a letter, Tay. Give a letter. Okay.
A.
A. Oh, alam ko na.
V.
D.
Ano? Ano as in?
As
Ano
in,
as in nga?
as in dog.
Yung violin. Hindi, violin.
V.
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 Hello?
Walang V. Okay, 1 mistake. All right. Only 5 mistakes, okay? Is allowed.
Bato. Ano ba to? Salita?
Alright. Yes, it's a
Oo, yung
regional
language.
dialect.
Language.
Language. Letter I.
Letter I.
As in ice cream.
Opo.
Ayan. Ilagan.
Na?
Ano?
ilagan?
Language.
Language.
Ay, language.
Oo, it's not a place, it's a language. Si Teo talaga.
Letter L.
Letter L. L.
Okay. Hindi mo yan alam, Teo? Okay.
Meron din yan sa'yo eh.
Meron din yun sa'yo. Language, kuha yan. Ano ba to? Si
Ay,
Mama. Si Mama, kuha niya yan. It's, sinasabi yan ni Mama.
Ibanag.
Yan salita. Tama, ibanag.
Yay!
Okay. Alright. So, Teo, it's your turn now, Teo.
Wait lang. Stop here.
Okay, stop sharing. So, Teo, it's your turn.
Ako na.
Hi, Marcos! Ilapit mo si Marcos. Nakagulat. Hi, Marcos. O, lapit mo siya. Hi.
Hello.
Gusto mo ring mag-aral? Pagkatapos natin si Marcos naman. Okay? Mag-aral ka
Malapit na
muna.
daw ang birthday niya. Malapit. Ay, niligo ka. Ligo. Bango pala ito. Bango. Sinong may birthday?
Okay, Teo, malapit saglit. Patayin ko ito. Mag-join uli kayo, ha? Malapit na matapos.
End ko po.
End.